Have you ever wondered why we say I play, I am playing, I have played, I have been playing? Are all these sentences correct? Yes, but why are they different? The answer lies in tenses. Today I am going to show you the complete picture of English tenses in a simple and easy way. And by the end of this video, you will know why English has 12 tenses. Namaste everyone. Welcome to my voice life skills. Many students find tenses confusing, but don't worry. Today we will understand the structure of all 12 tenses in a simple way. Once you understand this, learning English becomes easier. So, let's begin. What is a tense? A tense tells us when an action happens. There are three main tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Each of these has four forms. So, three tenses into four forms equal to how much? 12 tenses. Okay. So first I am going to tell about the present tense. The present tense tells us about actions happening now or regularly. Present indefinite, also called simple present. I play football. In present tense, we can say I play football. Present continuous, I am playing football. Present perfect, I have played football. Present perfect continuous, I have been playing football for 2 hours. Now come to past tense. The past tense tells us about actions that happened before. Past indefinite or simple past. I played football. Past continuous, I was playing football. Past perfect, I had played football. Past perfect continuous, I had been playing football for 2 hours. Now come to future tense. The future tense tells us about actions that will happen later. Future indefinite, or we can say simple future. I will play football. In future continuous, I will be playing football. In future perfect, I will have played football. In future perfect continuous, I will have been playing football for 2 hours. Present means what? Now. Past means before. Future means later. And each one has simple indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. That's how we get all tenses. Now, you may be thinking, what is the difference between present simple and present continuous? When do we use present perfect? Which tense is used most in daily conversation? Don't worry. In the next videos, I will explain each tense one by one with rules, formulas, examples, and practice exercises. Now, you tell me in the comments which tense do you find most difficult? Present tense, past tense, future tense. I would love to know your answer. So, today we learned what a tense is. The three main tenses: the four forms of each tense, all 12 tenses of English grammar. In the next video, we will start with present indefinite tense in detail. If this video helped you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my voice life skills. Your support motivates me to create more educational videos. Thank you for watching. Namaste. Bye bye. Take care.